नमस्कार, बुलेटिन में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपके साथ अस्मिता। बुलेटिन की शुरुआत से पहले सीधे रुक करेंगे अहमदाबाद से मुख्यमंत्री पुष्कर सिंह धामी का
प्रोजेक्ट एंड वी वुड बी प्रोवाइडिंग कैपिटल सब्सिडी इन ट्यून ऑफ अराउंड 50% विदाउट एनी कैप. Then obviously when we come to Uttarakhand, I have stayed here for 2 years at IIM Ahmedabad only. We all have seen what kind of education institutes have come in Uttarakhand. So obviously we are also now targeting the education sector. When I talk about Uttarakhand, we have almost 49% contribution coming from the manufacturing sector. Now the next giant leap which has to come in the economy, that has to be in the service sector. So obviously when I'm talking about service sector, tourism is one of the key one, but we are also focusing on the education and health sector also. We are terming both of them as industry sector, as sector in the form of the industry itself, and we are providing capital subsidy in tune of around 25%. We are coming out with the 2 knowledge parks, one in extent of around 400 acres at Parag Farm. That's a 3,000 acre of industrial township we are talking about, where 400 acres would be given to various education institutes, 1,000 acres of industrial parks, and roughly 1,500 acres of greenfield township. So effectively we are talking about a full-fledged plant city of 3,000 acres. Next to Bareilly Airport, 1 hour, Pantnagar Airport, 15 to 20 minutes, and Jewar Airport, around 3 hours as an international airport connectivity. Along with that, we are also coming out with a greenfield Medicity in Dehradun itself. It would be a small Medicity, not a very larger one, but we are looking for players who can come out and create their specific projects of like 2,000 to 4,000 meters, and at a one location in a 15-acre parcel, we would be having all the major services being provided by major brands of this country. So that kind of Medicity we are talking about. We are also, we both, like my predecessor as well as I both, we talked about the films which are being shot in Uttarakhand. One of the major opportunity which is available is about creation of the new studios in that location, so that the other films are able to come at the same time, and at the same time they are also able to process their film production also. Then obviously, as we talked about that, I'm sure all of you must have heard about Doon School. So on the similar lines, almost if I rank top 15 schools of the country, out of them, 8 would be resided in Dehradun, Nainital and Mussoorie only. So almost 50% of the top 50% of the K-12 residential schools of this country belong to Uttarakhand. So that kind of ecosystem is available. People are charging in tune of around 8 lakh rupees per annum to around 12 lakh rupees per annum. So that kind of premiumness is also available, and we are looking for these kind of investments. We are giving a capital subsidy of around 25% for these projects. Then obviously when we are talking about Gujarat, we need to talk about the logistics and the infrastructure. I'm sure we all have heard about the PM Gati Shakti project. So there are a lot of multiple private industrial parks we are talking about. We are not saying that the industrial infra need to be created only by the government. It can be created by the private players, and obviously they can create a more efficient ecosystem than the government also. So we are talking about a multimodal logistic park, warehousing projects and cold storage projects for agri supply chain across the whole state itself. So these projects are available with us. Then in renewable energy, in power sector, obviously hydro is our strength, but at the same time we are focusing on renewable power energy. I'm sure a lot of people here are exporters. They know the kind of credibility which 100% is renewable power.